Fact, there are thousands of beauty products on the market. Other fact, no human being actually has time to try them all. That's why we're doing the deep digging and test driving to find the very best ones. Hi, I'm Catherine, the Kids Beauty Director. In the past few weeks, I have searched high and low for the holy grail of liquid exfoliators, a potion that would give me the smooth, luminous complexion of my dreams. I tested over a dozen of them, and I'm going to take you through my top 3. First up is Pixie's Glow Tonic, a drugstore fave even celebrities like Jordan Dunn and Kim Kardashian swear by. Its star ingredient is glycolic acid, which works double duty, removing impurities and gently sloughing away dead cells. With continued use, you'll notice your skin become clearer, glowier, and way more balanced. Next up is Herbivore's Prism. Part serum, part essence, this natural hybrid harnesses the power of botanicals and fruit acids, including vegan lactic acid derived from a berry. Best of all, it's packed with aloe and rose waters to fend off any dryness that can come with exfoliation. Last but not least is a veritable French icon, the P50 lotion from Biologique Recherche. It's brown, it smells a little funky, but boy, does it work. On top of speeding up cell turnover, this brightening version of the classic also fades dark spots and boosts radiance. These are all amazing, but if you only buy one, I would go with the Biologique Recherche. To try it is to love it. Trust me, after patting it on for a few days, you won't believe how much more even your skin's tone and texture look. And the glow, we're talking radiance so good you won't even want to cover it with makeup. And there you have it. Go ahead and flaunt your best skin ever. The kit's got you covered.